Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. So in this video, you guys, it's a bit different. It's not beauty related, but it can be related to beauty because it's all about your smile. So if you see by the title of this video is partnered with Smile Brilliant, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my teeth white within a short period of time for a fraction of the price. So if you want to see how I got this white teeth or how I achieved this look, then give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you stay to the end, there could possibly be a giveaway. So yeah, if you want to see and hear about my experience with Smile Brilliant, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm not going to be doing like a tutorial on how you can create these because this is the easiest, I'm not even exaggerating, you guys, it is the most easiest way of creating your own molds and getting it out to them. All the instructions are so easy to follow. So it does come in a box like this, and it has the company name, Smile Brilliant, at the top, and then it tells you to open up inside. Your new smile awaits you. And inside the box, it gives you basically what you're going to be doing. It also has cards in here. This card right here we'll get to in a second, but I just want to show you how everything comes in the box. It all comes in a box like this. Now, I know you're probably going to be like, oh my gosh, that's a lot going on. I felt the same way when I first opened up the box. I thought like, oh my gosh, what is all of this? So you get 3 teeth whitening gels and you get 3 desensitizing gels. And when I say 3, you get 3 things like this. I forgot what these called. I don't know the terminology, but you get 3 of these and you get a lot of product in here to whiten your teeth. So they come in syringes. They come in a syringe like this, and you get a lot of product. Alright, so that's the first thing, just to show you what the gels are. And of course the purple one is in a purple syringe. That's that. You then get these blue things will come in a box, which is what you're going to create your molars with, your whole retainer, so you say, where you're gonna send to them, but we'll get to that in a second. So you get 3 catalyst paste and you get 3 base paste. So what you're gonna do with those 2 pastes is put them together. So they come like this. You mix these 2 together until you get a lighter blue color. Now, when you're mixing these, you do have to move pretty fast because you don't want them to harden before you make your own set so that they can fit your teeth properly. Now, my thing is a little messed up because I keep it on the side of my sink, but nevertheless, once you create that, you then stick that inside of the molar mold so that you can mold it onto your teeth. You push it to your teeth. Don't bite down on it. You're going to push it, but all those instructions are so clear on their instruction sheet. You get the instruction sheet and they share and tell you step by step what you need to do to create those molars and create your retainer to fit your teeth personally. And so that's what I liked about this, is that I was able to create it to fit my teeth. I've tried crush strips, and those are just a white, like, clear piece of paper, if you've ever tried them before, a white or clear piece of paper that you would stick on, I guess, universal type for anybody's teeth size, shape, or even the size of their mouth, which I didn't like the fact that it was really strong. My teeth are very sensitive and it just didn't do the job, and I just got tired of doing it every day. With these, I like the fact that they come in your own personal little container and they fit your teeth. So an easy way to remember to do this, you do them from at least 30 minutes to 3 hours per day. So if you're not someone that can do it all the time, at least 30 minutes a day, you should be good to go. I did it for about 30 minutes a day, I would say for about 3 or 4 weeks, and I saw results within that first week, but I was like, this is too good to be true. So I tried it again, and I was like, okay, the more you're consistent with it, of course you'll see results, as you would in anything. I've like bit into like colorful things like Italian ice that has all that dye on it, just to see if it would affect my teeth. I'm just testing it out like that, and these things definitely kept my teeth white. And although my teeth are sensitive, the desensitizing gel helped my teeth not react to certain cold foods or hot foods, making anything in excruciating pain. None of that was occurring with this particular kit. Another thing I can say about this kit is that you go to a regular doctor and you get your teeth whitened, and sometimes that can cost $500 plus. With this, it's a fraction of the price. And so I really enjoyed this whole experience, and I still have gels and stuff that I can keep and still whiten my teeth whenever I feel like it, for at least a year of supply. So a little bit of this gel goes a long way. That is all of the things you need to do to create the molars. Once you create them, you let them sit there for about 30 minutes or so, and they send you a return package. They give you a label. The molar things are numbered so they know that it's you. You then are going to fill out this card. This card is going to ask for your name, address, phone number, date of birth, postal code, etc. so they'll know who they're sending it back to. You put everything is going to go inside of here with the card. Don't forget the card and the shipping label, and boom, send it off. One thing I can say about this company is that they are excellent with communication, and if something is not correct with yours, say for instance you get yours back, and that actually happened to me when I received mine. My bottom retainer was like kind of rubbing against my gums. I told the customer service rep that was happening, and they sent me a new one. So I just had to recreate the molars properly. Be sure when you're doing it. That's why I love the fact that they give you 3 catalyst and 3 base, because if you mess up on one, you can always create another one. But nevertheless, the communication at Smile Brilliant is excellent. If you're having an issue, they also keep you informed of your tracking information and shipping, when it's going to be to you. They send you emails to follow up with you. This is not one of those companies that's just going to whiten your teeth and you don't know what's going on with your teeth, or if you have any issues, you shouldn't be afraid to reach out to, because they definitely reach back out to you. So yeah, this is a simple, effortless whitening of the teeth. A tip I can give you is if you have kids, you just don't have enough time. I would say for me, when I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I also edit my videos. So while I'm doing that on my downtime, I pop them right in my mouth, forgetting that I have them in there. And of course, the longer you keep them on your teeth, the more you'll see results. So that was something I kept in mind. Like, okay, if I'm going to watch a video today, or if I'm going to be editing, plop these in my teeth, and boom. After I finished, you still realize you had those in the teeth. I'm not even going to lie. One time I fell asleep on it, but I woke up and then brushed my teeth and was good to go. So that's basically everything that I have to share about Smile Brilliant. It's an excellent company, excellent and affordable way to whiten your teeth and get your teeth back looking bright so you can smile for your photos, of course. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are the true MVP, because now you get to win one of these entire kits yourself. So down in the description box, there are all the rules and the link to how you can enter into this giveaway. Smile Brilliant was kind enough to do that for you guys in this video. They're going to be the ones to choose the winner. So you're just going to follow all the instructions, and the link is listed below. And if you are interested in purchasing this, all that information is linked in the description box as well. So if you enjoyed this informative video and sharing my experience with Smile Brilliant to whiten my teeth and how you can whiten yours, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.